Let us try to solve question number 39 na pinadala sa atin ng followers natin. The ages of two siblings are in the ratio of 5:8. Their total age is 52. Find their ages. So given natin, first is, we have here the first sibling, which is in algebraic way, we need to put this as 5x followed by 8x kasi ratio nila is 5:8. Then their total age is 52. So solve natin to. So equation natin, we have 5x plus 8x equals 52. We are going to solve for x here. Then combine lang natin to. 5x plus 8x, that gives you 13x. Then solve for x. We need to divide 52 by 13. X is equal to 4. Then after that, kunin natin yung mga ratio. First sibling natin, we have 5x. Since our x is equal to 4, so 5 times 4 is equal to 20. So yan yung age ni first sibling, followed by the second sibling, which is 8x. So 8 times 4, that is equal to 32. Therefore, our answer is the ages are 20 years old and 32 years old. Follow Math Talks for more videos. See you to the next episode.